Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, February 8th. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile of the ES and SPY. So, the big things to look for today. We had an outside day up yesterday in the S&P. That's pretty bullish. We also had a nice price probe at the end of the day. So bulls have some sort of advantage here to try to carry this forward. We're in a 4-day balance. So even if we take out yesterday's high, we're not coming out of balance yet. That would be coming above the second high. On the flip side, there's not much inside of yesterday's range to lean on if this price probe fails and we get back into yesterday's range and especially value. Remember, yesterday's low is the bottom of our balance. So there's a lot the bulls can gain here, but there's a lot they can also give up. As far as the other ones go right now, triple Q's also probed. They're trading right below the base of it. Look where we've spent, though. Basically all night in the NQ, right? Right inside of M's range. We talk about M's period being more important the day after. Here's the righty. Russell, they're a little lower, okay? As far as we're concerned, we're also below the base of the price probe, which is G's high. But for now, we're above value. That's important. So early game plan this morning, pretty basic. Now, again, we have 90 minutes to go prior to the opening. But this is a good risk reward. Where there were buyers yesterday, right now they're not there so much. So if you're to push up, it's a decent risk reward short against both the base of the price probe and the overnight high. It's about 4 or 5 points worth of heat. Above that, you're going to go take out yesterday's high and then try to attempt to get to the balance high, where balance rules, make sure you apply them. On the flip side, if this you can't get above here and sellers hold this, then you're going to have to see how, what do we really have to lean on inside of here? Well, first it's going to be whatever the overnight low is to see if whatever it is, if they front run it. So can you take a long against the overnight low? If it's right around here against value high, sure you can. But if you take out the overnight low and get back into value, really not much to lean on. They attempted to have change take place above E's high yesterday, right? When Powell first started. It obviously failed miserably. We attempted to get into those single prints again for the umpteenth time from Fed Day. So they keep probing down here. Okay, so this level to me is important. Sellers tried one more time in I, and then we took off. Yes, we gave it back, but they rallied really hard. So if buyers are going to hold, I think, and stay in balance on the daily, they need to hold around the 41.30 level, which is where change attempted to take place. You start getting any acceptance below there, I think we're finally going to take out yesterday's low, come out of balance to the downside, and finally fill this trend day. So those are the things to look out for early in today's trading. And then on the chart, just show you the daily. So again, thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this YouTube channel. Here's your 4-day balance. If we take out yesterday's high, it's positive, but we need to take out the second's high, and balance rules will apply up there. On the flip side, if we come back down inside of yesterday's range, balance rules will certainly apply at yesterday's low. But if we come out of balance to the downside, we should finally take back last week's trend day. The 20-day moving average is now up around 402. It'll be even higher once we open for trading. So we'll see if that ever comes into play in the near future. Good luck trading today. Have a great day. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.